In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Windows 11 Clipboard. So this is how you're going to do it regardless if you're using a laptop or PC. So what we are going to do from this point forward is just head over here to the Windows, and then you can go ahead and just type here Clipboard. Now we need to open this now in order to enable this, otherwise we won't be able to proceed. So as you can see here, Clipboard history, in my case, it is enabled. What you're going to do from this point forwards, once it's enabled, is just close this one, and then you can go ahead and open your keyboard or type in your keyboard the following. So I'm using a virtual keyboard now just for you to be able to see it. So you can click Windows. Let's remove caps lock. So you are going to click Windows and then V, and what's going to happen is that you should be seeing something like that on the left side. So let's go ahead and pull it using the same function. There you go. Now, from this point forward, what's going to happen is it's going to show you the clipboards that you have copied here. So this is the latest one, for example. Now let's go ahead and try to test this out. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my notes, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything and click copy. So if I'm going to go ahead and open that once again, you should be able to see that now I have added it here in the clipboard. So yep, that's how you're going to open Windows 11 Clipboard.